guys, so we're back, and by we I mean me. I'm back. I have been off for a little bit. I went on vacation and I just was not into working on cars for a little while, so the family and I went out of town and we went to stay in a couple different hotels and went swimming and did some things, and it was amazing. So now we're back, ready to get back into the groove, work on some vehicles. We have a single turbo Ford Ranger LS swapped right here, twin turbo LS swapped Fox body Mustang, and we're gonna switch up the truck a little bit. So a lot of you guys have had a lot of interest in the channel because of this truck, and I've just been daily driving it for a while, and it's been exciting for me. I like daily driving the truck. Everything works pretty good. It does have a parasitic drain. That's really the only thing I can complain about right now. So if I, like when I went on vacation, I was gone for like a little over a week and came back and the battery was dead. But other than that, I can't really complain. So we're gonna do some more tweaks, modifications to this thing. It has one turbo right now. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna put another turbo on it. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna put another turbo on it. And then we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna put another turbo on it. So let's figure this out. Make sure we got the right angle with the dangle. So, can you guys see that? So we'll zoom in here a little bit. So, this, it currently has a VS Racing 7875 on it, and I'm gonna take that off. I might actually put it on that car later. I'm debating what I want to do with the Mustang, if I want to do twin 7875s or twin 3582s like I had on the 350Z. I liked those turbos, and I didn't really get to use them very much. I only ran the car like 6 pounds, so I might put the 3582s back on that car. But the plan with this thing is to do a triple turbo setup on this. That's why I have 3 turbos here. So I'm committed, it's happening. The whole plan, 7875 goes off, these go on. If you're wondering how I'm gonna fit them in there, I'm gonna put them in the bed. So we'll have a completely stock looking, like NA looking swap in the front and the party in the back. And we're gonna do a bed mounted triple turbo setup. I do have like all the oil lines and all, like a scavenge pump and that stuff I already ordered. I already have it here. It's basically gonna be, hopefully it'll be pretty quick, because I really just have to do exhaust, probably a couple V-bands and stuff. And the cool thing about that is I'll be able to run narrowband O2 sensors again. Like I tried to do the twin into a single narrowband before. I couldn't really get that to work right. So I want this thing to basically be like a complete, quiet, stock-like daily driver, sleeper truck. So this thing is loud right now because I had it just a straight 3-inch dump pipe on it before, and then I changed it to go through 2 36-inch glass packs. So it's still kind of loud. Like you can tell that it's modified, and I like the truck because it looks kind of old, whatever, not really like anything that would be modified, but it was loud, so you could tell it was modified. So the goal with this one is to do like a full front to back, exhaust, muffler, everything, keep it quiet with the loud valve so it opens up when it needs to, and like complete sleeper. That's the plan. Triple turbo, These are VS Racing 3071s. I believe they're like a 54 millimeter or something like that. If you guys are familiar with the Hunter Tuned YouTube channel, this is the same turbo that he just put on his CRV. Just making sure my camera's still running because sometimes it likes to freak out. He just put the same turbo on his CRV and he said it was making like 6 pounds by 3,500 RPM. And that's on a 2-liter engine, and this is a 6-liter engine. So 2 times 3 is 6. Math. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. Maybe this will be a complete waste of time, but it should at least be fun to build it and putz around during the winter. So the goal is to maybe get it done like in the next month and try to take it out on the ice, because we live in Wisconsin. We do some ice racing up here. It's just going to be a fun thing. I don't really have any power goals or time goals, or I'm not going to get hung up on that. It's just going to be something different and fun, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and see you in the next video.